Hey, this is Shay, and right here in this video I want to show you a campaign that I just showed my students the other day. It's one of my longest and most consistent make money online campaigns, and I've just recently put a little more traffic to this campaign and it's already done over $700 in a day. So I'm just going to show you the network that I've been using to make this money online. It's been doing extremely well, and I've actually had it running for just over 2 years or so now. So it's certainly one of my longer campaigns that I've had running. I also show my students how I start brand new campaigns from scratch. And I guess the reason why I show both kinds of campaigns, ones that go for multiple years and ones that I just recently started, is to prove two things. One being the fact that you can start a campaign right now today, and you can have it be successful, but only if you have someone to show you what to do. And that's exactly what I do for my students. And on the other hand, the reason why I show campaigns that have been running for multiple years is to show them that, that new campaign that they started from scratch can continue running for a long time and truly generate a consistent and, stable income for themselves. And that's what this is all about, obviously. So I just want to show you this campaign right now. I've just got it defaulted to the last 30 days. So we are right now in October. It's the 19th today. And I have this campaign going back, as you can see, 30 days. So I'll just run through some of the numbers here. I'll just fit in the total there. So getting close to $10,000 over the last 30 days. And today being the 19th, we're actually only about halfway through the day. So I'm expecting a decent amount more money to come in today for this campaign and this network. But as you can see, multiple close to $300 days there. On some of the lower days, we don't actually run the campaign, or I will be pointing traffic to different networks that day. And this is part of the methods that I do and teach as well. So more close to 300 that day, plenty of $200 days, $400 days, $600 in a day, 658, 463, $420.30 there, 586, $708.04 there, and today $514.52 so far. And I actually just want to focus in on the past few days because that's when I just picked up the traffic. So I just want to go back to the 16th here and just run that report. And if we come down here, so actually in the last 4 days already, just over $2,000 has been made. And again, today is not finished, so I'm expecting this to get up and perhaps even over this $700 day here. And you know what? I can show you exactly what I'm doing here. And obviously I don't mean just more reports and showing you the results like this. I mean actual campaigns, the traffic sources, exactly the inner workings of behind the scenes of what I'm doing to make this money online with this campaign, and actually many others. Because this is only one of my 5+ networks that I work with right now. I'll show you what I'm doing, but only if you are truly serious. And of course, I know you are partially serious because, again, you're watching this video and you are still watching up to right now. And that tells me that, you are quite serious. You are looking for a way to make money online consistently. And perhaps you haven't made even $1 online yet and you're trying to break through that barrier. Or maybe you are making $50 or $100 a day online, but again, you are trying to break through and get to higher income levels. I can help you with all of that, as I already do with my students right now. But I'm not keeping this open for everyone forever. So while I have this open right now, for new students such as yourself, what you have to do right now is take action and click the link at the top of the description. Find the description of this video and look right at the top. I'll put a quick bit.ly link, just a really short quick link, so you can click that and jump over to my site, which I will show you now as well, just so you can see exactly what to do. So here on my site, all you have to do then is enter in your best email address right here in the field. So do that, enter that in right there, and then just click the Get Instant Access button. As soon as you've clicked that button, I'm going to send you a welcome email. So shortly after, go check your inbox, your email address that you just typed in, go check it and look for a welcome email from me, because I'm going to have some awesome information to quickly get you started right now. So remember to do that, complete those quick steps, and I'll see you on the inside.